Hi there. Been working on the front end really and just started flattening the wing. Thought I'd just show you the results. So far both headlights have now been restored. The grille is looking much better, as is the slam panel. I've repolished more of the chrome, so that's standing out well. And I thought I'd show you what the wet or colour sanding, they like to call it, what it should look like when it's done correctly. The finish, you know, is really probably more reflective than this is showing. But if I slowly go along the panel to where I haven't done yet, I'll bring the light in. I think you'll be able to clearly see as it goes along the panel how fine this is done with 1000 grit and then 3000 grit, until the panel is pretty flat and should, you know, have a nice finish. There you can see is where I've not done yet, where the edge of the paper has caught the dimples, and then of course we have the horrible bit that's not been touched yet. I've done the wheel arch capping, that's been flatted in the same way, and it should look a million times better once it's polished. So just thought I'd share that with you. You know, it's the preparation and really getting it flat and using fine paper. It's almost reflective, like it's started to be polished, but it is done with flatting paper. It just takes time and a little bit of understanding, and obviously careful about the thickness of the paint. But I'm sure by the time it's finished it should look pretty good. It'll be good enough for him to drive to a show without getting laughed off the park anyway. I haven't flatted the spoiler on the front, but I have compounded it and polished it up, and that's looking a bit better. So we'll see what it's like when it's finished.